Very few of us remember Methuselah, despite his 969 years on earth. But all of us here today know Jesus. We pray to Jesus every Saturday, every Sunday, we pray. So it is not the length of time that we have that will enable us make the difference. It is what we do with the time that we have that will enable us be remembered long after we are gone for what we did within the time that we had. So remember, you don't have to be here for long, but within the short time that we are here, the difference that we make will move us forward. I would just like to say to the team that the people of Hmabay have expectation on us individually. Sometimes when people work, they think they work for the governor. No, we work for the people. And the question will be asked to you when you got the opportunity to serve as a director, or as a chairman, or as a CC, or as a chief officer. What did you do to change Hmabay? We have all spoken here and said we are now being counted as number one. The chaplain outlined the issues. My nightmare is not really that we are number one. It is how do we stay at the top? What do we do that is different, that is radically different from what we did last year, that keeps us at the top, that keeps Hmabay at the top? And you know who keeps us at the top? It's the people. So what do we do that makes a difference in the lives of the people so that we stay where we were? That's the challenge. It's not really in getting there, it's in staying there. Because at this point, people are also trying to pull us down in all manner of directions. You know, when you're at the bottom, nobody pulls you. There's nowhere to pull you to. But when you're at the top, there's a lot of room for you to come down. So how do we stay there? I think I want to take on what the senator said, that we cannot afford complacency as we begin the year. We cannot afford to rest and say, oh, you know, we are at the top. The glory of yesterday will continue to shine. We will have to be more innovative. We will have to be stronger. We will have to rely on God more to enable us get even further ahead of where we already were. In fact, Senator, the last time we were here when we were launching the CIDP, you challenged us and said that we are not competing here. We must just have a vision of our own that takes us to become Dubai, or, you know, we are not competing locally here at, oh, we are better than Kisii or Nyamira or the counties around us here. We must draw our vision and transform Hmabay. To transform Hmabay, we need God. I'd just like to finish by stating that as we begin the year, I know that our children are going to school, and many of us are wondering, when will the ting ting nini? Yeah, that one, I am on it, so it will not be much longer. As the children go to school, there will be things happening to enable that, and that also applies to our contractors. I know our contractors are also worried, saying, oh, we have things here and there. We are also working on that so that we push out as much as possible this month